channel. This is Cheryl with iStyle, My Style, and I am very happy today to participate in a Mother's Day collaboration that is being hosted by two wonderful ladies here on YouTube, and that's Kimberly Davis over at Diva Designing on a Dime and Robin from All Things Luxe by Robin. And it is the Mother's Day Coffee Tablescape 2020 challenge. And all they asked us to do was to create two tablescapes for Mother's Day. And it could be any design, any style that we want. We just had to create two different looks. So I will show you my looks that I have put together. But before I do, if you are new here, welcome. If this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is Cheryl. I love showing you how to decorate your home on a budget by using thrift store items, DIYs, and budget finds that I find on clearance at our normal home goods stores like Ross, TJ Maxx, and Marshalls, and stores that you wouldn't necessarily think of buying home decor, like some unusual places like Family Dollar. If you haven't checked out Family Dollar, make sure you do. Do not sleep on Family Dollar because I have found some great things there lately, as well as Kroger. Don't sleep on Kroger. So if that is something that you're interested in, I do all kinds of home decorating, tablescapes. Click the subscribe button and become a part of the iStyle My Style family so you never miss an upload, and hit the notification bell twice. So I will leave a link for Kimberly and Robin's channels down below, as well as a link of the playlist of all the participants. So let's get on to our coffee table decor styling. So here is our first look, and I am loving how this looks. The books are a DIY. If you are interested in how I made them, there will be a video coming up later this afternoon on that process. I love Paris, and even though I've never been there, I plan one day to take my mom and my sisters to Paris. That's why you see a lot of Paris related items in my home, because I've always wanted to go. And so I felt like creating some coffee table books and putting a saying on it that says Paris is always a good idea. I absolutely love it. If you agree, leave me a comment down below. But you know I love black and white, and so I had to create a coffee table styling featuring my classic black and white. You cannot go wrong. It is elegant and sophisticated, and it fits perfectly in my home. So this is our first look. And now on to our second look. Here is our second look. Mother's Day to me is all about the pretty florals. You see so many pretty bouquets that you can order off of the numerous flower sites. And so I thought I would put together this very pretty floral arrangement with all the summer colors. I think my mom would really like this. She would really enjoy it in her home. And so I put this together with my mom in mind. This is for you, Mom. I am sorry we won't get to spend Mother's Day together, but I hope this brings a little smile to your face. I love you, and you mean the world to me, and this little vignette is for you. I love the little birds. I don't know, they just remind me of my parents. They were always together. So I am Loving this. This is what I put together for my second coffee table styling. I hope you like it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. And I couldn't just stop at 2 coffee table stylings, so I will bring you a third. So here is our third look. It is very simple, but I love it. It is my black and white and a touch of glam that you know are my signature styles, and I like it. You know I am doing the modern coastal glam theme, so I am using the little bottle that I picked up from the Dollar Tree that I painted black, and I think it gives the perfect contrast to the florals that are on the table, and I am loving the star. So this is the third look, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know which coffee table styling that you like best. I think I like number 1 best, but let me know which one you like. So I would like to thank Kimberly and Robin for hosting this collaboration. It is always so much fun to put on the thinking cap to see what tablescape or coffee table styling I can come up with. Again, don't mind my legs. I will leave a link for the ladies' channels in the description box below, as well as a link to the playlist of all the participants. If you are new here, I hope you have liked what you've seen, and if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. So that is all I have for you today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. And remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.